Want to work faster? These 20 window keyboards shortcuts may help. Keyboard shortcuts on Windows offers a rapid way to navigate and operate the experience and features using multiple key combos. Most of us know how to command tasks on your computer using mouse, but there are quicker ways of performing the same task by means of window keyboard shortcuts. Here's a list of the most powerful and probably least used keyboard shortcuts that involve the window logo key, commonly seen in almost all keyboards. Control plus Escape. This shortcut opens the Start menu. Control plus Shift plus Escape directly brings up the task manager instead of you having to select it from Control plus Alt plus Delete. Window plus X. This offers quick access to some of the core features of Windows administrative applications. Window plus Control plus D. You will be taken to a new desktop immediately. Alternatively, you can click New Desktop in Task View. Alt plus F4. This completely closes the application you are using currently. Window plus semicolon. This directly opens the emoji picker. Window plus Shift plus S. To quickly snipe and share a screenshot, press the window key plus Shift plus S to bring up a sniping toolbar. Window plus V. This takes a screenshot and stores it in the clipboard. Window plus I. This shortcut opens Setting application. Window plus E. This shortcut takes you directly to File Explorer. Window plus Home. This can minimize or maximize all but the active desktop window. Window plus comma. This allows you to temporarily pick at the desktop. Window plus F. This launches Feedback Hub application. Window plus T. This cycles through applications in the taskbar. Alt plus spacebar. This launches context menu for the active window. Control plus Shift plus T. This reopens the last closed tab. Control plus Shift plus N. This creates new folder on desktop or File Explorer. Window plus Page Up or Page Down. This snipes the active app to top or bottom of a screen or magnifies it. Window plus R. This launches the Run dialog. Control plus Alt plus Delete. The logout dialog will be summoned on your device. Hope you find these shortcuts useful. Go ahead and start using them right away. Comment with the one you think will be the most useful.